Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a virgin lychee martini. Now a lot of people have asked me to make more non-alcoholic cocktails, so here it is. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you, as well as links for some of my products like this jigger right here, if you guys want to get them. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this mocktail we're going to need canned lychees, preferably in heavy syrup if you can find it, pineapple juice, and fresh lemon. Alright, I'm gonna start adding nice into mixing this. Now I'm gonna start adding 2.5 ounces of lychee syrup. Half ounce of fresh lemon juice. And 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice. And we're ready to shake it. And we're gonna strain it. And we are ready to garnish. Alright, let's give it a try. For being an non-alcoholic cocktail, this tastes pretty good. This is a great drink if you cannot drink alcohol. I'll give it 8.5 out of 10. And that's how you make the virgin lychee martini. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more mocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And also let me know in the comments what you want me to make next. And as always, until the next one, cheers!